The Ford Pro Telematics with Dashcam is designed for simple and fast installation in both gas and electric vehicles. In this video, we'll show you how to do it. To start, open the box. Inside, you'll find the Ford Pro Telematics with Dashcam with the mounting bracket attached. Here's the road-facing camera. On this side is the cabin-facing camera and touchscreen. You can press this red button at any time to record live events. The camera includes a pre-installed SIM card and a 128GB SD card behind this tamper-proof cover. You'll also get a Torx wrench, a safety sticker decal, an alcohol wipe for cleaning the windshield, an OBD2 harness cable, and an OBD2 fittings package with adapters for different vehicles, plus a few zip ties for securing things in place. Let's get started. Inside your vehicle, locate the OBD2 connector, which is down by the driver's left or right knee. You'll need to remove a panel to access it. Then, release the OBD2 connector from its housing by pressing on the sides and pushing it out or down. Let the connector just hang. Now, let's test the camera. Open the OBD2 cable that came inside your kit. The Y cable has two different plugs. Connect the female plug to the OBD2 connection that's now hanging. Connect the Molex end to the camera. The camera is now powered and will initialize. When you see the vehicle icon, press the touchscreen and enter the default PIN number, 3333. Then press the live view icon and use the rotate button in the top right to test toggling between road and cabin views. Using the Torx wrench, loosen the screw at the camera mount so you can rotate the base to adhere to the windshield. Also, unplug the Molex cable to keep it out of the way. Position the camera so you have a clear view of the driver's upper body and a clear view of the road. Depending on your vehicle, the best spot might be on the driver or passenger side, or even below the rearview mirror. The dashcam should not obstruct the driver's vision. Once you've picked a spot, clean the area on the inside of the windshield with the alcohol wipe. Let it dry completely. Don't worry about streaks, you'll clean them off later. You're ready to mount the camera. Peel the backing from the mounting bracket. Press the dashcam to the windshield and hold it for a solid 30 seconds. Remove the camera and confirm the mounting, then clean the windshield with a soft cloth. Now, reconnect the Molex end of the cable to the camera and check the connection. Then, let's run the cable along the headliner to the power source. First, you might need to remove any trim panels by popping them off. Then begin to carefully tuck the cable into the channel at the windshield and follow it along to the A-pillar. At the pillar, loosen the molding and remove covers or grab handles. Once that's done, just run the cable along the pillar, using the clips inside to help secure it. Then reattach the trim. Now that you've finished running the cable, you'll want to secure the connection at the OBD2 connector. Use a zip tie and pass it through the wiring loom on both sides of the connection and pull it tight. Locate the pack of OBD2 adapters that came with your kit. Find the adapter that fits the male connector and slide it on. Take the two small C-clips in the package and attach them on both sides of this connector. Be sure to insert them fully. Snap this connector into position to replace the original factory OBD2 connector. Coil the remaining cable and secure it into place with a zip tie under the dash so it's out of the way of the driver's feet. Then, just replace the body panel. And you're all done. Now that the install is complete, you're ready to log into your Ford Pro Telematics account to view the footage. Ford Pro Telematics with Dashcam gives you instant visibility into what's happening with your fleet, helping to improve your uptime, enhance your efficiency, and protect your drivers. Have any questions? Contact our Ford Pro Business Center.